Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about how you can make a beautiful bio in your Instagram. With some amazing fonts or some maybe emoji. So for you doing this, you just need to go to App Store and just write in search tab and just find this application fonts and text emoji for Instagram bio. So just click on get. Here you can see different fonts, and now you just need to use your Touch ID for installing this app. So it successfully installed. So now you can also open it and just click OK. So here you can see different fonts. You can also write for your Instagram bio, and also here you can see different emojis. So here you can see angry, actions, dancing. So here you can see different options, different things you can also add, and just here you can see how many fonts you can also use. And after you can also copy it and just paste to your Instagram bio. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.